everything, or I thought I'm just printing this part.
Alright, so what's the first thing I'm gonna be learning?
The first thing you should do is import the model. So you can click import and then click on your model and plop it down in there.
What is this software called?
This is called Simplify 3D.
Oh, Simplify 3D. So once you get the software, you press what? You press file?
You click
import it. Okay.
And then you go to wherever your model's kept, and then you open it and it'll put it in the software.
Wait, so how do you make the 3D model?
You can make it in SolidWorks, and then you'd save it as an STL file.
STL, okay.
Or you can get it somewhere online, which will also be saved as an STL.
Oh, really? Okay, I didn't know that.
Once you put it down on there, you can move it around. There's some things to manipulate it. Like you can move the axis that's on. Move it around.
Oh, so these tools are like supposed to...
You can rotate it. You can scale it. You can add supports. So if you have something hanging over something, you want to add supports.
Okay.
And then once you put the part down on there, you go to edit process settings, and then click include raft, and this will prevent it from warping and moving around on the printer.
So what's warping?
It's when it bends due to like not adhering to the board or anything, and the model will just come out bent or just not print out.
Oh, is that like natural, where it warps a lot, or?
It depends.
Oh, and then that's where the support.
That's where the raft comes in.
Okay.
And then once you have it all on there, and then you put down the raft, you can go prepare to print.
And what's the raft again?
The raft is the surrounding part to prevent it from warping.
Oh, okay.
And then once you have it here, you can do save to plastic disk, and you'll have your micro SD card.
Right there. Okay, that's cool.
Save, and then you go to
your flash drive or whatever.
Yeah, your flash drive.
USB. Right?
Save. Oh, there you go. Now it's saved on there, and then you eject.
Oh yeah, you got ejected. I forgot. That's cool. Yes, the Creality. You see, I made a video previously on the Creality on how to use it. Alright, you're gonna show me a simplified version, alright? On how to use it?
Okay.
Wait, what's that thing?
This is the micro SD card.
Oh, it comes from that thing?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's so cool.
Put it in there.
Oh, there's like a side to put it?
Yeah.
Which side? Oh, that's cool, that's cool.
Put it on.
Right now we're in high. We don't see how much time.
Oh, does it just start? Oh, it's starting. That's cool. Alright. What's this QR scanner right there?
I have no clue.
Yeah,
Something, it does something. And you hit print, and it'll bring up all the things that are on your
Oh, is
on
this
the
like all
card.
this? Okay.
Yeah, click them all you want to print, and then you hit print.
Alright.
And they'll heat up, and there you go.
Don't you need to like balance the beam and like everything else, or?
If it's not level, you should level it, but this one is level.
Oh, okay. So, which I'm pretty sure I already seen that. So, once you level the bed, it should start printing. Alright. Oh, is it heating up the coil?
It's heating up the nozzles right.
Oh, alright. That's cool. Is that it?
And that's it.
That's it? I was expecting a lot more, more dramatic.
It just explodes.
Yeah, okay.
I forgot to put the raft.
Oh yeah, if you put the raft, alright. We're gonna see you struggle, alright?
No, if I did it, it would just explode.
I wish you didn't put the raft.
That's kind of weird.
I'm just
For my
kidding.
dad?
No.